Hello everyone, let's solve this question based on a puzzle of travel. 8 persons A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H are traveling to 3 different places among Hyderabad, Chennai and Bangalore by 3 different cars among WRV, HRV and SRV, but not necessarily in the same order. Now, the moment we read this kind of a language, we know that we can make a double lineup or a distribution sort of a table and start solving easily. So let me just make that first. There, we are ready with it. The maximum number of persons traveling by any car is 3. Well, that's worth noting. We have 3 cars and each car can carry a maximum of 3 people. So that's a total of 9 people, whereas we have only 8 people given here, which means one car will have one person less. So effectively, we'll have 2 people in one car, 3 people in one car and 3 people in one car. That should be the arrangement. Also, in each car, there are at least one male and one female traveling. Fair enough. Each car is traveling to only one place. That's logical. Only G and F's sister are traveling to Bangalore. So now I know that the car traveling to Bangalore is the one which is carrying 2 people. So that means the cars traveling to Hyderabad and Chennai must be carrying 3 people each. Great. Who are the 2 people going to Bangalore? Only G and F's sister. Now, G is definitely going to Bangalore. Next, F's sister is going to Bangalore. Obviously, F will not be F's sister. Some other person. One other person is going. That's all. B and E are traveling by the same car, but it is not WRV. B and E are traveling by the same car. Let me make a sign here so that I remember that. They're traveling by the same car, but that car is not WRV. Also, if B and D are traveling by the same car, they can't be in the same car as G because there's only room for one person in that car. So I'll just eliminate these options here. C, who is a female, great, I get to know about the gender of C, and A are traveling to the same place but not to Hyderabad. A and C are not traveling to Hyderabad, but they're traveling by the same car to the same place. Again, by the same line of reasoning, I can say A and C both cannot be in G's car. Therefore, they are definitely not going to Bangalore. Which means that A and C must be going to Chennai because there's no other city left for them. A and A's brother H, that means H is a male, are traveling by different cars. So, or rather, I'd probably put not hash. Great. But also, notice H is a male, that means H can't be the person who is F's sister. With that, we've eliminated all possibilities and we're left with only one possibility, that is D. D must be F's sister. So D must be a female. 2 females are traveling by HRV. 2 females and there must be at least one male. So that means this car is a car carrying 3 people. D is not traveling by WRV. D is not traveling by WRV. By extension, I can say G is also not traveling by WRV because D and G are going together in the same car to Bangalore, which means that WRV is not going to Bangalore. Therefore, WRV is also a car containing 3 people, which also means that SRV must be the car containing 2 people, that is D and G must be going by the SRV. Nobody else in the SRV. SRV is going to Bangalore. Now that we've done that, we know that B, E are neither going by SRV nor WRV. So B, E are definitely going by HRV. Now, two people B and D already booked in HRV, which means A and C will make a total of 4 in HRV. Not possible. Therefore, A and C must be going by WRV. So I can just clock these off. I also know that A and H are traveling by different cars. There is no place in SRV anymore. A is traveling by WRV. H must be traveling by HRV. We see that the three people who were there in HRV are already booked. Therefore, F must be traveling by WRV. Now that we've done that, let me just do a quick check. Are there two females and one male in HRV? Because that was something that I needed. H is a male, which means E must be a female and B must also be a female. Only then we'll have two females and one male in this car. Great. I know A is a female given here in the last point. So I can put that down. A is a female. A and C are going to Chennai. So that means that the WRV is going to Chennai. We know that two people are traveling in the car going to Bangalore. That means the SRV is going to Bangalore. The remaining city, Hyderabad. Okay. Now that we know that, we can just quickly put down all ticks and crosses based on WRV going to Chennai. So the people in WRV are going to Chennai. HRV going to Hyderabad. So people in HRV going to Hyderabad. Let me just complete the table for you. With that, we've completely solved the set. Now, we can confidently go ahead and mark the answers. How many females are traveling in all the cars together? Well, um, we have 5 females here already, and we know that each car must have had at least one male, so obviously the remaining 2 people must be male. You can also check each of these 3 males are traveling by a different car, which corroborates our theory, and therefore there are 5 females traveling in all the cars together. Which of the following group of people is traveling by WRV? WRV, A, C, and F. So answer option C is the correct answer. To which city is F traveling? F is traveling to Chennai. So answer option B, correct answer. Which of the following is true based on the given information? A is traveling to Hyderabad by WRV. Well, A is not traveling to Hyderabad in the first place. So this is a wrong piece of information. B is traveling to Chennai by HRV. B is not traveling to Chennai in the first place. Wrong information. Two females are traveling by the WRV. Two females are traveling by the WRV is correct. Therefore, this answer option should be the correct answer option. But let me also check if D is wrong or not. D is traveling to Chennai by SRV. D, SRV, but not to Chennai, to Bangalore. Therefore, this piece of information is also wrong. So the correct answers are C, C, B, and C. I hope you could do it on your own, or if not, at least you could definitely follow the solution. Thank you. Have a great day.